This one na affirmation to remind you say every day na new chance. Make you dey tell yourself this one every day. As I wake up this morning, I go smile because I know say every day na new chance to breathe, new chance to try again, new chance to love, new chance to grow. No matter wetin yesterday look like, today na fresh page. Yesterday fit carry tears, but today go bring joy. Mistake wey I make before, I don learn from am. Regret wey dey my mind, I don drop am because today na new chance to get am right. Even if things no dey perfect, even if I never reach where I dey go, I dey thankful say I get another opportunity to stand, to move, to believe again. Every morning na reminder say God never give up on me. If I stay there alive, hope still dey. As long as I get breath, miracles still fit happen. So today, I go show up with courage. I go take small step, even if the road long. I go speak kind word, love myself more. Every day na new chance to be better person, to forgive, to smile, to shine. I no go take today for granted. I go hold am tight with gratitude because today fit be the day wey everything go change for good.